Hello, good people, and welcome to Finex Skills Hub. Here we learn, we connect, and we grow. We continue on our journey with AI and how we can use it to work smart and save time at the office. In this case study, we want to look at how to use Claude to do what we call financial analysis or a health check if you are giving financial statements. We used to take a lot of time doing this. We have to calculate in Excel, then even take it to Word and PowerPoint. What if I told you that all these steps can be put together in what we call a scale in Claude? Scales come as pre-built packaged capabilities that you can use in Claude to execute specific tasks. In this video, we'll learn how to build a scale for financial analysis or financial health check. We'll also learn how to do all this right in your desktop. So the input file and the outputs will live in your desktop so that you don't have to struggle to find where they are. If you are game, join me and let's get this done in a few minutes.
Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI and data. Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI and data. Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI and data. Finex Skills Hub, we just love to learn AI.
So before we begin, let's talk about the right setup. So for starters, you need a Claude license. A pro license or higher would help. Once you have your license, you want to install Claude Desktop. So Claude Desktop installs Claude right in your desktop so you don't have to go online every time to use the chat box. Okay. So I have already installed my Claude Desktop. Now in the latest interface, notice that you have the chat and the Cowork in the same place. Okay. Now here's the difference. If you use chat, it means that all your inputs and outputs live in a conversation. So sometimes you have to go back and trace a conversation to check your files and all that. It can be heavy, very clumsy if you are a heavy worker. So what I recommend and what we are going to use in this video is to use Claude Cowork. Okay, so Claude Cowork, it puts Claude to work on your desktop. So it uses the files and folders. You can point it to where it should pick the input file and where it should download the output file. So everything lives right in your desktop. So we need to first differentiate between chat and Cowork. Now, for this case study, we have our financial statement, which is a PDF file in a folder. So for this purpose, I have in this folder, I have a sample folder called Adipa Foods. So this is their annual report, right? So typical financial statements, we have our income statement, our balance sheet, and our cash flow. I want to analyze this. I want to get insights from this data. Take it, I'm not a finance person. I just want to get the key ratios, what is good with this company and all that. To do this, we are going to just go through 3 steps. The first step is that we are going to install a scale. So scales come as pre-built capabilities that we can use to execute this specific task. It helps us to automate the process if you like. We don't have to write lengthy prompts all over again. So we'll do this in 3 steps. First, we are going to install a scale and then we'll save that scale. So once that scale is saved, we'll now deploy that scale to execute the task it is supposed to do. Now, if you are using Claude for the first time, Claude already comes with some of these skills installed. One of the skills that are installed is what we call the skill creator, right? So if you use the backslash in your chat box, okay, you'll see all the skills that are here. If you do a backslash and you call skill creator, you can just describe what you want to do. Okay, so you can just say that a skill that analyzes financial statements and gives me key ratios and a health check of the business, right? So it can be as simple as this. Now, what Claude would do is it would ask you clarifying questions so that it gets exactly what you are looking for. Now, once it is done, you get a prompt to save the scale. Okay, so once you save the scale, you can find all your skills under your settings. Okay, then you come to skills. So you can save it here. It will be added to your list of skills. The other way to create skills is that you can add it by uploading a skill. So in this video, I have already created the financial health check skill. So if you want to use mine, you can come to your settings, go to skills, and upload that skill, which I will leave in the description of this YouTube video, and it will be added to your skill. Another way you could do it is to write the skill instruction or create with Claude, which you've already explored. Okay, so that is skills. Now, once we have done this, I already have this as the financial health check skill. So the financial health check skills analyzes uploaded financial statements, PDF or Word documents. Okay, it does ratio analysis and all that. So the typical financial analyst output, all this embedded in just that skill that I have created. So to do this, what I need to do is I will just invoke the skill. Okay, then I'll point it to the folder I want to work with. So I'll switch to Cowork. Okay, then I'll add the folder. So normally when you switch to Cowork, you get to add a folder. So I'm going to add this folder. So this is the sample folder that I'm going to use. So I will select this folder, okay, and I would allow Claude to have access to this folder. What this means is it's now able to read any file. When it is done, the outputs can also be dumped into the same folder, right? So those are the two things. We've invoked our skill. We've pointed it to the folder it's going to work in. Now, let's go ahead and then ask it to do what it's supposed to do. I don't have to write a lengthy prompt for this because the skill is good enough. Just maybe where it should dump it and then the workbook and all that. So let's keep it simple. So financial health check on Adepa in the folder. Give me an Excel workbook and Word outputs for the financial analysis. So that's all we need. So once these boxes are checked, we'll go ahead and then we'll commit, and let's see what Claude will do. So typical of work in Cowork, you would see progress. Okay, so it will tell you that it has found this file, and then it will ask some clarifying questions. So the file names flags it as a fictional entitled annual report. If multiple years are showed, should I do a period over period? Yes, we want a period over period. Okay. Now the second clarifying question, as a typical financial analyst, your audience matters. So it wants to know which audience it is building this for, right? So I'll ask it to build this for an investor lender pack. I already have a style, okay? So normally that style is what we use for our Finex assets, okay? So I'll make it use the Finex style for this purpose, which is important. So if you're working for a company and the company has a brand, you can also create a skill out of that so that almost everything you do in Claude is automated. So I'll go ahead. Now I've given this, what I expect it to do is that it will give me progress. The steps it's going to use to execute this. So as you can see to my right, we are going to do this in 5 steps. It will extract the data from the PDF. It will compute the ratios and audit quality flags. It will build the Excel workbook, build the Word report, and then use the Finex, what we call the ivory charcoal scorecard, which is a style that we have created here, and then verify and deliver. So those are the steps that it's going to go through. Working with Cowork is very beautiful because it puts you in charge, right? Even if you don't agree at this step, you can interrupt it, okay? And then maybe make changes to it. So for now, we'll just take our coffee, sit back, and then see what Claude will do. I may have to speed this up, and then we'll come to the end of what it gave us. Okay, so after a couple of minutes, we have now received our financial analysis. Now, you can see that it went through a series of steps, okay? I had to fast track the video. But the important output is that it gave us the Excel file, and then it gave us even a PNG out of this, right? Now, let's go into the folder and then see what we got. So I'll go into the folder. Now, you notice that initially we just had our PDF here, right? So we now have our Word narrative. So the executive summary and overall rating, everything nicely written, and then it has dumped it in the folder, right? For the Excel workbook, we also have cover notes, okay? It analyzed the income statement, the balance sheet, the cash flow, the ratio analysis, and even raised audit flags, which is normally very important when you are analyzing financial statements, right? In fact, there are cases where it even created a dashboard out of this. You can add that as part of your skill creation. And what is even important is that over here in Finex, we have a way we deliver. So you can see that based on an existing skill, it also put this in a very nice one-by-one visual, which you can post on social media or you can use it in your presentation. Here is the point. You can even add a PowerPoint as an output. So hopefully you get the idea. The way we work now is changing. No more heavy prompting. Once you have skill, you can deploy it and it can get a lot of things done for you. Okay. So you want to learn more about AI and how it can help you work smart and save time. I've shared a QR code. You can scan it and join our community where we share insights and daily tips on how you can use AI. Thank you so much for joining us in this video, and hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.
If this video was helpful and you would like to receive more of these videos directly on your WhatsApp, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We'll add you to our broadcast list so you receive our videos directly. You can also visit our YouTube channel, Finex Skills Hub. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos or connect with us on any of these social media handles. Thank you so much for watching.